Good morning. My name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills. And the topic for today's discussion is presentation dress code. Ladies and gentlemen, whenever you are giving a presentation in front of an audience, definitely they are concentrating on what you are speaking. They are concentrating on the material that you are presenting in front of them in the form of PowerPoint slides. But along with that, they are also concentrating on your personal appearance. Of course, when you are speaking during a presentation, rest everyone sitting in the auditorium is listening to you thoroughly. They are sitting quietly, they are only focusing on you and your presentation. And since they are focusing on you, they are thoroughly focusing on your dressing sense, what you are wearing. That's why during any kind of presentation, dress code is very crucial. People always identify you at the very first place by your dressing sense. Sorry. People identify you at the very first place by your dressing sense and then by how you speak and how you behave. That's why having an authentic dress code is very crucial during any kind of presentation. Let me show you something, ladies and gentlemen. Please have a look at this chart that I have prepared. This is presentation dress code for man. When male employees are presenting in front of an audience, what type of dress code they must have? There is a list of it. Number one here says white, off-white or plain blue shirt. Ladies and gentlemen, white, off-white and plain blue shirt. These are the three crucial categories of shirt which people should wear when they are giving a presentation. It is a very elegant style of wearing a uniform. Second point says no stripes or checks. Of course, ladies and gentlemen, during any kind of presentation, always prefer wearing a plain shirt without any stripe, without any checks, without any glorified mark. Please wear plain shirt. That is the authentic professional uniform for a presentation. Third point says wear dark trousers. Of course, ladies and gentlemen, wearing dark trouser is very crucial. With a plain shirt and a dark trouser, you look like a real corporate professional. Fourth point says traditional silk tie. Of course, if you are wearing a tie along with the shirt, it should be a traditional silk tie, ladies and gentlemen. Fifth point says socks should match trousers. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the most crucial thing that you should keep in mind. The socks that you are wearing, it should match your trousers. If the socks is not matching with the color of the trouser, it looks very awkward. And the last point says leather shoes. Of course, ladies and gentlemen, no sport shoes, no any other kind of shoe. Always formal shoes, always leather shoes, very crucial during any kind of presentation. Now, if we talk about women, if we talk about ladies, there is a prescribed dress code for ladies also in any kind of presentation. And number one here says avoid sleeveless and tight fittings. Ladies and gentlemen, for ladies, this is very crucial. The dress that you are wearing, it should not be sleeveless and it should not be tight fitting. Very crucial. Second point, shoes with 1.5 inch heels. Now, if we are wearing a shoes that is having heels, it should be 1.5 inches heel, not more than that. Now sometimes third point says if you carry bag, prefer black or brown. Now ladies and gentlemen, when ladies are giving presentation, Sometimes they carry a bag with them. Of course, bag is necessary. You might be having certain crucial personal things in your bag. Definitely it is okay bringing the bag in presentation room, but make it sure that the bag that you are bringing, it should be either black in color or brown in color. The bag that you are bringing to the presentation room, it should be either black in color or brown in color. These two colors are the most elegant and most professional colors during any kind of presentation. Black and brown. Fourth point says no dangling earrings. Ladies and gentlemen, when ladies are wearing earrings, that is perfectly acceptable. Wearing earrings is essential for ladies, no problem with that. But they should not wear dangling earrings. The earrings must be thoroughly attached to their ears. They should not be dangling. Why they should not be dangling? Because when ladies are wearing dangling earrings, the viewers only concentrate on those earrings. They don't concentrate on what you are speaking. And that is the fact of any kind of presentation when ladies are giving presentation. When ladies are wearing dangling earrings, the viewers only concentrate on the earrings. They never concentrate on what you are speaking. Very crucial. Fifth point is either you should wear bracelet or you should wear bangle. Avoid both. Either you should wear a bracelet or you should wear a bangle, but not both. Ladies must keep this thing in your mind. This is very crucial for ladies. Either they should wear a bracelet or they should wear a bangle, not both. Sixth point says no chunky jewelry. It means the jewelry that you are wearing, it should not be heavy. The jewelry that you are wearing, it should not look heavy. Of course, because of same reason, ladies and gentlemen, if the ladies are wearing heavy jewelries, the viewers are only going to concentrate on that heavy jewelry. They are not going to concentrate on what that particular lady is saying. They are not going to concentrate on the presentation. They are only going to concentrate on your heavy jewelry. This is the reason why we say that ladies should not wear heavy jewelry during presentation. I would like to repeat crucial statements again, ladies and gentlemen. For men, number one, white, off-white, plain blue shirt, no stripes or checks. Wear dark trousers, traditional silk tie, socks should match trousers and leather shoes. And for ladies, avoid sleeveless and tight fittings. Most crucial thing. Second, shoes with 1.5 inches heel. Third point says, if you carry a bag, prefer black or brown. That is more elegant. Fourth point says, no dangling earrings. Of course, I have stated this. People are going to concentrate more on your earrings and less on what you are speaking. Fifth point is either bracelet or bangle, but not both. Very crucial, ladies and gentlemen. And sixth point, which I have just stated, no chunky jewelry. If the jewelry is chunky, of course, people are going to concentrate on your jewelry and they are not going to concentrate on what you are speaking. So ladies and gentlemen, these are the crucial elements of dressing sense which you should follow during any kind of presentation. A presentation is a situation when we want to give new kind of knowledge to the viewers. And the viewers who are coming to your presentation, they are also coming with this point of view that today in your presentation, they are going to know something new, which will upgrade their knowledge and which will uplift them professionally. So concentrate more on the material that you are presenting in front of them and less on glorifying yourself. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.